Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy, Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will learn Mustaliyah letters. What are the Mustaliyah letters in an Arabic accent? We will learn in this lesson as well. Before starting our lesson, if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson I will teach you how many Mustaliyah letters are there in an Arabic accent. How do we pronounce them in an Arabic accent? Which part of the mouth do they pronounce them? There are 7 Mustaliyah letters in an Arabic, and they are Kha, Sad, Dad, Ta, Ra, Ghain, Qaf. These are 7 Mustaliyah letters in an Arabic. How do we pronounce Mustaliyah letters in an Arabic accent? They are always pronounced with thick or heavy voice in every condition. Each Mustaliyah letter pronounced with thick or heavy voice in every condition. Let's learn how do we pronounce Mustaliyah letter. We will pronounce individually in this lesson. The first Mustaliyah letter is Kha, Kha, Kha. The next Mustaliyah letter is Sad, Sad. Dad, Dad, Dad. Ta, ta, ta. Ra, ra, ra. Ghain, ghain. Qaf, 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 Qaf. These are the 7 Mustaliyah letters in an Arabic accent. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.